Sa mundo ng boxing, kilala si Marco Antonio Barrera bilang isang halimaw, isang teknikal na henyo, multiple division champion, at isa sa pinakarespetadong Mexican warriors sa kasaysayan. Pero noong 2003, may isang gabi na parang imposible. Ang biglang naging realidad. Isang underdog mula sa General Santos. Maliit, mabilis, at gutom na gutom manalo. Ito ang gabing nagbago ng career ni Manny Pacquiao at ng buong boxing world. Nung pumasok si Pacquiao sa laban, halos wala pang naniniwala na kaya niyang talunin ang isang superstar tulad ni Barrera. Bagong lipat lang siya sa Amerika, bagong coach, at bagong timbang. Para sa marami, masyadong mataas ang level ni Barrera. Si Barrera, siya ang hari ng featherweight. Tinalo niya si Naseem Hamed. May karanasan, power, at ringgi na hindi basta-basta. Kaya noong inanunsyo ang matchup, ang tanong ng lahat, kaya ba talaga ni Pacquiao ang isang tulad ni Barrera? Pagdating ng opening bell, biglang tahimik ang mundo. Dahil sa unang minuto pa lang, nagulat ang lahat. Mabilis, agresibo, at hindi sumusunod sa traditional Mexican rekivel ang galaw ni Manny. Parang may sariling oras. Parang may sariling musika. Si Barrera, sanay na siya maging ang umaatake. Pero ngayon, siya ang umatras. Dahil bawat combination ni Manny ay parang sunod-sunod na kidlat. Boom! Left straight. Right hook. Follow up left. Wala siyang tigil. Wala siyang preno.
Reinvented himself, came back a lot stronger, became more of a boxer. Exactly. Pacquiao thinks he got the Barrera. Barrera does not think so. And Pacquiao scores twice nicely there.
Oh, he's got quick hands.
Pacquiao getting in.
He's throwing it right now.
Pacquiao doing his best work, and he drove Barrera back. But Pacquiao, with no fear, coming after Barrera.
He's taking this round away from him.
Pacquiao back on the inside. Well, how much fun is this?
The fans are getting this slugfest.
Pacquiao is going to get his money's worth here as he opens it up, and they put 2 rounds of a war into one. We talk about a battle of attrition. This is it. We got to fight. Nice round.
At sa third round, dumating ang moment na nagpaugong sa buong crowd. Isang mabilis na 1-2 ang pinakawalan ni Pacquiao at boom. Bagsak ang Mexican legend. Hindi man grabe ang impact pero sapat para iparamdam sa buong mundo, hindi ito ordinaryong underdog. May dala siyang bagyo.
And then Barrera turned it around and tried to steal it back.
Habang lumilipas ang rounds, unti-unting nawawala ang confidence ni Barrera. Hindi siya makapag-set ng Kirigian. Hindi siya makapag-jab. Hindi niya mabasa ang timing. Samantalang si Pacquiao, parang nag-level up bawat minuto. Pressure, volume, speed, endless punches. Maging ang corner ni Barrera ay halatang nagpapanik. Hindi nila mahanapan ng solusyon ang kaliwang straight ni Pacquiao. Hindi nila mapigilan ang pag-atake. May isang sequence pa nga na kinorner si Barrera, sabay sunod-sunod na combinations na parang makina si Manny. Doon na-realize ng commentators, this is not an upset anymore. This is a destruction.
The second one in the knockdown. Look at the leverage. Watch the hips of Pacquiao. That's how he's generating it. The second punch coming behind the first has all the leverage. You picture any of the sport where you spin all your power into a shot. Well, for Guerrero, he has to jab as if this fight depended on it because it does.
He's really put the heat on him and wearing him down right there. And Barrera's defense is just not quick enough to block his punches.
Again, as he tries to open it up and look at this. This power, the speed. Now, he's got Guerrero's number so far. But it's only through 4 rounds. They continue to roll away. Good round again for Pacquiao.
Pagsapit ng late rounds, klaro na ang lahat. Si Barrera, pagod na. Basag na ang depensa. At si Pacquiao, wala pa ring kapaguran. Parang kakastart lang ng laban.
Waging a thrilling performance if you're a purist. If you're a Marco Antonio Barrera fan, he's breaking your heart.
To this area in this broadcast, Barrera has become a better boxer.
But here's Pacquiao coming on him again. Barrera had moved smartly.
A fist sandwich every time he tries to do it.
And here comes Pacquiao again. And now Barrera out of track for a moment, but Pacquiao is out of it. In Barrera's corner, man. Because this guy's just walking in unabated. And he's racking up the poise, building up at least a 3-point edge. At least. And Barrera needs to stop it. Something in reserve. But Barrera, you know he's got at least another runner.
So,
Down he goes from the slip of the feet. Must have come together again because he got nailed too.
well, we could also be seeing the dawning of a new great champion.
It's looking that way at this point. Maybe he has to take what the stylish to catch up with him. As Pacquiao again hurting Barrera. You never see Barrera get beat up like this. All right, let's go. If they stop him by a headbutt, that's less. That's less. But you have to look down and they're getting knocked out.
Look at this great warrior Barrera fighting for his life right here.
And here's Pacquiao smelling victory and trying to make Barrera go out on his sword. The headbutt. We've had the fight almost stop. We've seen more life out of Barrera. And here's Pacquiao taking it over a deliberate butt there by Barrera. That's a frustrated fighter. That was a flagrant and deliberate headbutt. Barrera with a crazy hook in the last round. And now it's going to go again. Yes, Pacquiao is on it. Barrera looking over at the referee saying it's the headbutt.
Every time Barrera tries to mount an attack, Pacquiao just comes right back and does about 4 straight shots.
Pacquiao inflicting a beating on the proud Barrera. Eliminate everything that's happened to him. He's trying. Pacquiao got the 2 more. Here's Pacquiao with even more. And it's not there.
The one thing Barrera normally does is go to the body. He just can't get inside without getting punched.
Tremendous hand speed by Pacquiao. Throwing bushels of punches.
Pacquiao's taking the fight out.
Sa round 11, matapos ang sunod-sunod na clean shots na halos hindi na makaiwas si Barrera, pumasok ang corner niya. At doon nagdesisyon sila, stop early fight. Hindi knockout. Hindi lucky punch. Pero isang dominating, one-sided beating laban sa isa sa pinakarespetadong Mexican champions.
Pacquiao, 24 years of age. He has it all. Look at him, going to work up against the ropes.
And he will fall into the upper echelons.
And how Pacquiao would look in the later rounds. If it did go the distance, well, what do you think?
You know, it's his night. He has a lot left, but he's known for defense. And he is just all over Ferrero. Look at these angles here.
He's just done it again right now.
Oh, some more big shots. Ferrero walking into even four. And he's down
That's a knockdown.
for the second time officially.
5, 6, 7,
Just too much
8.
Manny Pacquiao.
Tuloy. Mega King. You hit the belly and he just went down. Box.
Ferrero protesting, but there's Pacquiao at four.
Right.
Chiparella's corner. Rescue him.
Ferrero's
He's too proud. He's too proud. Will they do that?
I don't know. I think they're going to pay for a bond or somewhere.
Ferrero just getting overwhelmed, and you have to think about him coming back and fighting again. This is bad stuff for him to be taking.
Well, the ref might stop it for him.
Here's Pacquiao all over. Here comes the corner.
Lawrence Cole is thinking about it.
Will they do it? The corner finally does it.
He did.
And Lawrence Cole in there at the same time. But that has to be an act of compassion. Ferrero is sort of asking them to do it in an indirect way.
Well, there's no way Ferrero's going to win this fight. No way, because every time he
At sa gabing iyon, biglang nagbago ang mundo ni Manny Pacquiao. Hindi na siya basta-bastang Pinoy boxer. Hindi na siya underdog. That night, a legend was born. At sa kabilang banda, si Barrera, isang future Hall of Famer, natalo ng fighter na hindi lang malakas, kundi may puso at bilis na walang katulad. Ang laban na ito ang naging simula ng era ni Pacquiao. Isang gabing nagpabago sa kasaysayan ng boxing. At isang paalala na minsan, ang kinakatakutan ng lahat, ay hindi ang lakas ng suntok, kundi ang isang boksingerong hindi takot mangarap.
I know in the third round I hit hard and he stopped, he still stand and fight on me. So I thought the 12th round is finished, but I surprised in the 11th round. Sa tingin ko masayo-masayo yung mga kababayan ko. It look like a fight of Lennox Lewis in Tyson. So I know it's our countryman is my countryman is very happy.